Hello, friends! Today we'll be learning all about sea animals. Do you know what color the sea is? That's right, it's blue! Let's color the puzzle. We can use different shades of blue. Now we can color the fish. Wow, it's like being underwater. Look, friends, there's some pieces missing. We'll need to put them into the puzzle. There's so many! Say hello to our new sea animal friends. Let's get to know them. This is a seahorse. A seahorse is a tiny fish. Let's color it orange. It'll be nice and bright. Now we can use the color green. What color should we use for the fins? How about red? Next, we'll put an eye on the seahorse. We did it, friends! Seahorses live in warm water around the world. They have a long tail that they use to hold on to things. Let's put the seahorse in the puzzle. The next sea animal is called a crab. Let's color it. We'll use red. Can you see the crab's big claws? It uses them to find food. This is our red crab. Crabs can walk sideways. They live on land and in the sea. Let's put the crab into the puzzle. Here's our next sea animal. This is called a shark. What color will we use now? Blue! Great idea, friends! There are over 500 different types of sharks. Wow! It's a big blue shark! Sharks can grow really big. They can be the size of a bus. They live in oceans all around the world. They have lots of super sharp teeth. And they have a great sense of smell. They can even jump out of the water. We can put the shark back into the puzzle. I wonder what's next. Let's look at this animal. This is called a whale. Let's color the whale. We'll use a pink pen. This will look amazing. We'll stick an eye onto our whale. Here is our whale. Whales are some of the biggest animals in the world. Some whales weigh the same as 3 trucks. Whales have a really loud voice. It can be heard underwater for hundreds of miles. We made a pink whale. Do you know what this animal is called? Yes, it's a turtle. Well done. I know what color to use. We'll color the turtle green. We'll start with the head and flippers. Now, we'll color the shell with a brown pen. Wow, it's so bright! Let's stick a big eye to it. This is a turtle. Turtles aren't fish. They belong to a group called reptiles. Turtles can live for a long time. They lay their eggs on the beach. Then, the baby turtles go back to the sea. Turtle shells are actually hard bones that keep them safe. This is our green turtle. Here is the next sea animal. This is called an octopus. Let's color it. We'll use a yellow pen. It's the perfect color. Oh, let's use red too. This is our friendly octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms called tentacles. They can shoot ink to keep them safe. They are also amazing at hiding. Sometimes they can change color. It's a yellow octopus. We have 1 animal left. This is called a dolphin. It's time to color it. We'll use gray for our dolphin. We'll color the fins and tail. Wow, it looks great! This is our dolphin. Dolphins aren't fish. They're part of a family called mammals. A group of dolphins is called a pod. It's a gray dolphin. It can go into the puzzle now. Let's look at all the sea animals. A seahorse. An octopus. A whale. A dolphin. A turtle. A shark. And a crab. We learned so much today. Bye, friends. I'll see you next time for more fun.
Hello, friends! Look at our colorful Play-Doh! Are you ready? What colors do we have? Pink? White? Purple? Green? Orange? Black? Yellow? What should we make? Ah! Let's hunt for some cutters. Let's see what's inside here. Oh! What is it? It's a fox. Yay! What color is the fox cutter? Can you help me? Is it pink? White? Purple? Green? Orange?
Yay!
Yes, we need orange. Thanks, guys. We want our rolling pin now. Let's roll, roll, roll the dough. Haha. It's ready to push in the cutter. Press it down and lift it up. Now his feet. His bushy tail. 2 ears. What's next? Yes. His nose and whiskers. Don't forget his 2 eyes. Foxes are only a little bit bigger than cats. But they are a member of the dog family. Okay, let's search through this bowl and find our next animal shape. What's this animal? Yes, it's a giraffe.
Yay!
Which color do we need? Pink? White? Purple? Green? Orange? Black? Yellow?
Yay!
Well done! That's right. We need yellow dough for giraffe. We need to roll a long piece for the giraffe. Just right. Let's push down the cutter. Now, we have our shape. We'll peel off the dough. Time to decorate. First, the eye. A brown tail. And lots of spots. Giraffes are the tallest mammals in the world. Even a newborn baby giraffe is taller than most humans. Let's see what animal's inside the pink balls. Here it is. It's a butterfly. What color is this cutter? Do you think it's black? No. Green? Purple? Yes, you got it! Hurrah! Get ready to roll. Push out, roll back. Up and down we go. Press it down and give it a wiggle. Peel the dough for our butterfly shape. We'll give it a blue body. And we'll decorate all the wings so that they look the same, just like real butterflies. Some blue feelers on top of its head. and then 2 eyes. Let's flutter and watch the video. Butterflies have 6 legs, and they use them to walk and climb. Just like us. Here come the green balls. Get ready to hunt. Can you see it? What is it? That's right, it's a frog. Tell me, which color do we need? Pink? Black? Green? You got it right. Come on, let's start rolling. How do we roll? Push out, roll back, up and down we go. Yeah! Wow, this is a big frog cutter, isn't it? We can see the frog shape now, can't we? Frog has 2 big eyes, a red mouth. Let's meet Frog's friends. Frogs live in or around water, and even a puddle can be their home. Did you know? Frogs close their eyes when they eat. Wow, now we've got a mix of brown and white balls to look through. Look! It's a zebra. Which color this time? Black? Pink? White? Yes, we'll use white for the zebra's body. Is it big enough? Yes, perfect. Wow, look at our shape. It looks like a horse, doesn't it? That's because zebras are a type of wild horse. Let's put lots of black stripes onto it. Zebras live in families just like we do. They use their black stripes to hide from big hungry animals like lions. What animal cutter will be hiding in the white balls? Found it! It's got a long nose. It's a big gray elephant. Oh no, what will we do? We don't have any gray dough? But if we take black and white and do a magic mix. We've got gray, yeah. Now we can make our elephant. Lots of rolling for this big elephant shape. Press down the cutter and pull it off. Its long nose is called a trunk. And they use it like we use our fingers. We need a big ear for our elephant. Let's watch some real elephants. Elephants love water. They drink, swim, and play in rivers. Don't forget to put on your trunks. Haha! Here's our last bowl to look through. What do you think our last animal will be? Ah, it's a bear. Did you guess right? Which color this time? Pink? Yes, our bear's gonna be pretty in pink. Rolling time! Bears are big, strong, and fast animals. They are good at climbing, swimming, and running. Let's peel off the dough and decorate our bear. We need 2 eyes, a black nose, and our bear's gonna have a love heart. Haha! What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear! Haha! Polar bears are the largest bears that live in the cold Arctic. Look, our bowl's empty. We finished all our animals for the zoo park.
Hey!
Let's take a look around the animal park. Here's our orange fox, and his friend has come along too. Yellow giraffe has joined his family. They can see very far with their long necks. Look, frog is hiding behind the bushes. Many frogs can change their skin color to hide from bigger animals. Here's butterfly. He's going to fly to the flowers with his friends. Butterflies eat the nectar inside flowers. Yum! Our zebra now has a new family to live with.
Wow!
Elephant's going to eat some plants with his new friends. Pink bear has joined the polar bear, brown bear, and panda. Hope you had fun playing with our new friends today. Bye!